Hello friends, this is Shantanu and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how you can create a contact us page with a contact us form on WordPress with the help of a plugin. So we all know the importance of a contact us page in our blog. Now let me show you my blog blogninja.com. In this blog, if you go under this about me section, you will find a contact me page. Now why this page is important, because if you are running a blog, then you must give the contact us page so that anybody who is interested to contact you for any reason, it could be like any sort of like sponsored post, or it could be any sort of collaboration kind of request or anything, they can easily connect with the reader behind the blog. Now how can we create this kind of form or a contact us page on WordPress? So that we can create with the help of a free plugin. For this page I am using Thrive Architect plugin, so that is a paid plugin. If you want to use Thrive Architect, then you can check the link in the description. Thrive Architect is a very powerful plugin. With the help of that, I am creating all the blog posts on my blog. Now let's get back to the topic. So how can we create a contact form on my WordPress blog with the help of a free plugin? First of all, this is a dummy website, and on this website I have created a page called Contact Us page. You can see that, but the page is empty right now. So what we need to put a contact form so that somebody can provide details and they can send a mail to us. So to do that, let's go to the WordPress dashboard, go to plugin section, click add new. Now there are various contact form plugins are there, out of which I always recommend people to start with WP Forms Lite. You can search with contact as well to see what are the other plugins. So you can see that Contact Form 7 is also a popular one, but this plugin will impact your website speed. So that's the reason I always recommend to use this plugin. You can see that the rating wise it is around 7,000 5-star rating, 3 million downloads. Compatibility is also there. Just 6 days before it's updated. This is a very popular plugin. So let's install it. It has a paid version also, but as a beginner, the free version is more than enough. So let's install the plugin first, and then activate the plugin. Fine. Now plugin is activated. How to create your first form with the help of WP Form, step by step, not required. So what we'll do, we can simply click create your first form. Select a template. So you can see that they already provided few templates. Either you can create a template from your own, or else simple contact form is there, or newsletter sign up is there, or suggestion form is there. So our purpose is to create a simple contact form. So let's use the existing template. So this is the simple contact form: name, first name, last name, then email ID and comment. So this is more than enough. Now if you want to add few more things, for example, let's say subject line. So what we can do, either you can put a single text like this, simply do a drag and drop, okay, single line text, let's say subject, something like that you can do. Or else what you can do, you can put a drop down also. For example, delete this, okay, you can provide a drop down like this. In the drop down, let's say subject, your first option, I want to promote my product. So let's say I want to collaborate with you. Any other reason? So something like that. So you want to put some multiple like defined subjects, so that somebody will, let's say somebody want to contact with you to promote their product, so they will come here, and out of this drop down they will choose it. So let me save it first. Okay, I want to test it here. So what we can do, so just after saving it, just click on embed, copy this. Now we need to go back to our blog. Click on back, we'll go to the pages. So where is our contact us page? So this is the contact us page. So we have copied the code. Now we simply need to put the code into that particular page. Find out short code. Now paste it. Okay. Simply update. So the page is updated. Now open the page. So you can see that this is what we have created. Now in the subject there are multiple options. So as the visitor, like as per the visitor choice, they can choose the subject. If somebody want to promote their product on your blog, they will choose this subject. If somebody want to do some sort of a different collaboration, they can choose this subject, or if anything else, they can choose subject. This way you can put a subject on, like some defined subject. Otherwise you can simply put a simple text box also like this. You can write some comment and then you can finally submit it. So that's it in this video. If you find this video useful, feel free to like this video and also share the video. And if you are new to my YouTube channel, then feel free to subscribe to this channel and also hit the bell icon so that whenever I upload a new video, you get the notification immediately. So see you in the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.